09 James here, doing a review of the 22 LR 20 mag by Savage. I don't know if you guys have this problem, but it jams every few shots. I don't know if you have the same problem. I'll just go ahead and do a couple shots. I ordered two of these, and I had them when I first got this one, and I haven't really used it because it kept jamming on me. I'll go ahead and take some shots here. Make sure it's on fire. Shooting towards the target right down there. There, it jammed. There's a problem with loading up. There it goes again. I'll go ahead and put the other magazine in. So you have a loading problem. Here it goes again. It damages the bullet. So if you guys have the same problems I do, leave a comment. This is the 22 LR Savage 20 mag round magazine. I just stick with my factory one, the 10 round, but this is not really worth getting, in my opinion. Keeps jamming. Alright, thanks. This is the Savage review of the magazine. Alright, thank you.